Hi, my name is Rebecca Bermudez and I'm a local realtor here in Tarrant County, Texas. I'm with JP and Associates Realtors out of the South Lake office. I wanted to make a short video that will guide you on how to file for your homestead exemption. If you have bought a brand new house in 2018 after April, or if you moved from your previous primary residence and you changed where you are going to live, then you need to do the homestead exemption again to make sure that you have that discount on your property taxes. So that is what I'm going to show you today on the 2019 form. I want to first of all let you guys know that it is absolutely free to file your homestead exemption. When you buy a home, you will get a bunch of mailers from companies that are offering to file the homestead exemption for you, but they're going to charge you anywhere from $35 to $50 when all you really need is a stamp. So let's go look at how simple it is to file your homestead exemption, okay? Let's go to my computer. So the first thing you need to do is go to your browser and pull up, in Tarrant County, it's tad.org. Okay, so once you're there at tad.org, you want to find the homestead exemption form. So you go up here to the top to forms and it's right there, homestead exemption. This is the form for 2019. It's only 2 pages, super simple. Now, some of this stuff on top, you're not going to have right on your hand. You're not going to know your deed filing information or your legal description. Most people just don't memorize that kind of thing. You know your street address, and that's, you keep it simple. So I'm going to show you where to get that information. If you go back to the TAD homepage, over here where it says property search, you're going to select an option. And the easiest thing is to do it by owner name or property address. So if you go to owner name, it is public information, so you can type John Smith and you're going to come up with a bunch of John Smith's homes and you can see all their property information. But you can just type in your name or your property address here. You can choose here how you're going to look for it and then enter your search right here. I would make sure that you leave only residential checked, because if not, you're going to come back with a bunch of results, unless you do by address. So once you hit the search button, you're going to pull up your account. And in your account, you're going to find everything that you need to fill out the form. So obviously it's going to have the owner names, it's going to have your account number with TAD, class code, PIDN. So then you provide the following information: the most up-to-date phone number, date of birth, email address. It is going to have on your account your legal description, so you can fill this out, and it's going to provide you with the deed filing information. It's going to give you your instrument number, so that's going to be very nice to have that. You just fill all this owner information out. One thing people ask me about is cooperative housing. Here in Tarrant County, you don't have to worry about cooperative housing very much. That is something that we don't have much of here in Tarrant County. So if you have any questions about how to fill this owner information, let me know. Now, one thing that Texas has started doing in the past few years to avoid fraud is that you are going to have to provide a copy of your driver's license, and the address on your driver's license is going to have to match the property that you say you live at. So before you file your homestead exemption, you will have to go make sure that your address is updated on your driver's license. So that's why it's good that I'm making this video in January, because you have till April 30th to file. Okay? So that's what it is here. Now, there is some exceptions to the rule. They will allow you to have an address that does not match if you're an active duty member of the armed forces, if you're a resident of a nursing home, or if you're like on witness protection program. So, I mean, if you're one of those, then you don't have to have the address that matches. So then on page 2, we are going to check general residence homestead. So saying that it is the property that you owned before January 1st of this year and that you live at that property. That's how you're going to get that discount. Now, there is a lot of other exemptions that you could qualify for that would lower your bill even more. This video is about the homestead exemption. If you feel like you qualify for any of these but you're not sure, my name and phone number and email address is on the bottom of the screen. So feel free to call me, text me, or email me, whatever is more convenient for you. And then you print it, sign it, and date it, and send it off. The address to mail it to is right on top, and you send it along with copies of the owner's driver's license. Okay, well, if you have any other questions, feel free to contact me, and I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it's helpful to you. Please keep me in mind for all your real estate needs.